The 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia embodies Italian luxury and performance, continuing its legacy as a standout in the compact executive car segment. This model boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that captures attention with its distinctive front fascia featuring the iconic triangular grille, complemented by sharp LED headlights and a sculpted hood. The aggressive stance is enhanced by bold character lines and a coupe-like silhouette, reflecting its sporty intentions. Under the hood, the Giulia offers a choice of powertrains, starting with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 280 horsepower and 306 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. But for those seeking even more exhilaration, the high-performance Quadrifoglio variant features a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, producing an impressive 505 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. The Quadrifoglio accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.8 seconds, showcasing its track-inspired capabilities. The Giulia's handling is further enhanced by its rear-wheel drive layout, though all-wheel drive is available for improved traction and stability in various driving conditions. The lightweight chassis, combined with a near-perfect weight distribution, results in exceptional agility and cornering prowess, making the Giulia a joy to drive on both winding roads and highways. Inside, the 2025 Giulia offers a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship. The cabin is adorned with high-quality leather upholstery, real wood accents, and aluminum trim. The ergonomic design of the front seats provides ample support for spirited driving, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and comfort. The center console features an intuitive infotainment system that integrates seamlessly with a 8.8-inch touchscreen display, offering smartphone compatibility through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available premium sound system enhances the driving experience with crystal-clear audio. Safety is a priority in the Giulia, with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems available. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The Giulia also features a comprehensive airbag system and robust structural integrity for added safety. As for technology, the 2025 Giulia incorporates a customizable digital instrument cluster, allowing drivers to tailor information displays to their preferences. Additionally, advanced navigation and connectivity options keep drivers informed and engaged. With its striking design, thrilling performance, and luxurious interior, the 2025 Alfa Romeo Giulia remains a compelling choice for enthusiasts and those seeking an elegant yet powerful sedan. Whether cruising through city streets or tackling the open road, the Giulia delivers an unforgettable driving experience that perfectly balances style and substance.